To install Burp Suite, go to portsfigure.net. Under Products, you can find Community Edition, which is completely free. Select and go to Download section. Choose the correct operating system as per your device and download the installation file. Then you can execute the installation file as admin privilege. Complete the installation. Now Burp Suite successfully installed on the device. You can go to Applications and open the Burp Suite. Accept the agreement and go to Next and save the config. Now Burp Suite opened successfully. Now the first step is to configure the proxy and install the SSL certificate. You can see proxy IP address 127.0.0.1 with port number 8080 configured as a proxy, the same proxy to be configured in your browser. To export the certificate, select DER format and select the known path or location to save the file as .crt format. The certificate will be used to perform man-in-the-middle decryption by Burp Suite so that we can decrypt HTTPS traffic to see the HTTP request and response. Make sure to save this file as certificate file with the extension .crt. Now go to browser settings and look for keyword security. Select managed certificates. Under root certificate, upload the certificate which you have exported from Burp Suite. Select the file. And successfully install the certificate. Now we have completed certificate installation. Next step is to configure proxy. I'm using extension to configure proxy, as that would be helpful. We can switch between Burp Suite and without Burp Suite using extension. So go to browser extension or Chrome store to download FoxyProxy extension. This is not mandatory. You can use your own extension or direct proxy setting, but this would be more convenient when we switch between proxy as well as non-proxy when you browse something else for direct internet access. In FoxyProxy, configure the proxy as Burp Suite using Burp Suite given IP address, which is loopback IP 127.0.0.1 with port number 8080. Select the HTTPS protocol and save the config. Once configure the proxy, close the browser and relaunch. Now you can see I have access to google.com that is successfully intercepted by Burp Suite. You can see the HTTP request and response for TLS traffic, which means our man-in-the-middle decryption successfully working. I could see the request and response header in the Burp Suite. So successfully we have installed and configured Burp Suite. You can follow same step for other browsers as well, maybe slightly different options, but same concept. You must configure proxy as well as certificate to be loaded into their respective browser SSL repository. Now, in case you don't like to use Burp Suite, you can disable the proxy in FoxyProxy extension and you can directly browse. So this extension primarily convenient for you to switch between FoxyProxy or switch between Burp Suite and direct internet. As you will not use always Burp Suite, whenever you no need to use Burp Suite or you like to surf internet, you can disable in FoxyProxy so that all the requests are not intercepted by Burp Suite. Thank you for watching. I'm wishing you to learn more by exploring other options within the Burp Suite.